Today I'm here at my local home track, the Sachsenring, which is just 15 minutes away from me. I've never been here on the track, so it was time, right? And as long as the GR86 is stock, I wanted to do a track day, and that's what happened today. There it is. This was my very first track experience, and to be honest, I was super scared and super nervous. And let's see what happened. This is going to be very interesting. The weather forecast doesn't look like too good. Oh man, I'm so nervous. Holy shit. But wait. I wanted to show you the progress of the 1 hour on the track. So from being a bloody rookie to having 1 hour of track experience, I wanted to compare lap times and everything. But then this happened. Unfortunately, I hit the driver's seat and moved the camera. So yeah, you can't see anything from what I filmed. So all I can show you are some highlights from the first session. Here we go. Oh, these elevation changes are crazy, holy shit. This track looks so boring in videos, but it's so exciting, holy shit. Oh, ist das krass. Schön mit der Flanke, scheiße. Oh, it's beginning to rain. No. I overtook in GT3. I'm kidding. I bet this looks so slow on video, but it's so fucking exciting. Oh, this is so crazy. But it kinda is like an Assetto Corsa, but the track is not accurate in the game. Points, so the big ones are the ones I take very easy because I want to kill the brake today and I don't trust the stock brake. Of course, my first track day is in the wet. I mean, it's still dry, kind of, but it's getting wet. So these are the conditions which separate the man from the boys, and I'm a boy, obviously. It's really wet now. Man, it's already half an hour. Holy shit, time flies. Okay, alright. Sick. Really sick first experience, holy shit. Oh, I'm a little bit too excited maybe. So let's move on to the second session. As you can see, it rained quite a bit in the first session, but dried up pretty quickly. So here are my impressions from the second stint. It's always important to do a warm-up lap to check the track condition and everything. flag. This was a bit unfortunate because I guess the brake is pretty hot and so I had no cooldown whatsoever, but okay. It is what it is. Okay, I guess that's the end of the day. Whew. What an experience. Amazing. Track driving is fun. It's really fun. And as you can see here, yeah, I was slow. But the tires are still good because those are my street tires, you know, so there's a little bit of pickup and stuff, but yeah, that's it. Okay, the track day is over and the car survived, of course. I was pretty slow, to be honest. It was pretty exciting because the elevation changes on the track are absolutely insane, but it won't be that spectacular on camera. But anyways, I had fun, and yeah, it was quite a good experience, and it was like an after work track day just for an hour, so from 5 to 6, and the guys doing this, they are like a group of friends, and they do this like twice or 3 times a year, and so it was the like perfect track day for me because they are like super friendly, and not everybody has like a GT3 RS and super fast cars, so it is just normal cars, and of course one GT3, but there was also an Ioniq 5N and an Audi TT, and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, it was perfect. Everybody was super friendly, and everybody had a quite good look for the others at the track. So yeah, amazing experience, and I hope I can do this again in the future, but then when this one's modded. So because I want to like experience every modification I do to the car. So that's why I did everything, drifting and track driving, while this car is totally bone stock. When being at the track, I forgot to film an outro, so that's what I'm doing now. The evolution for me as a driver was pretty big, so I really learned a lot about the track, about the limits of the car, and I haven't even found the limits at all, as you could see. But all I want to say is that's so much fun, and I totally recommend doing track days like this if you have a sporty car or want to get some experience as a driver, that's for sure. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.